Welcome back to the channel Krisi Vichar. As a student, if your interest lies in the agriculture sector, then you must be curious to know the scope and future of BSc Agriculture Science in India. You can do many things after completing 4 years of BSc Agriculture through various agriculture entrance exams like ICAR, PG or UG. ICAR is a regulating body. It has listed 4 deemed universities, 65 institutions, 14 national research centers, 6 national bureau, 13 directorates and project directorates. Option starts with higher studies, that is post-graduation. Masters in Agricultural Science, Master in Science, MBA, PGDM and even get scholarship. After masters or post-graduation, you can do PhD or go for ARS, that is Agriculture Research Service Examination. Master's degree holders can attempt UGC NET National Eligibility Test to get JRF scholarships, or ICAR JRF is also an option, or become eligible assistant professor. Beside this, if you do not want to go for higher studies, government jobs are a viable option for completing 4 years of BSc Agriculture. Starting with banking sector, there are special posts for AO, AAO, field officers, SO by appearing in competitive exams like IBPS, NABARD. There are more options, that is JAA, Junior Agriculture Associates and Clerical Cadre conducted by SBI. Now coming to UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. UPSC Civil Service Examination, popularly known as UPSC IAS exam. You can appear in this exam by keeping agriculture as an option in UPSC mains. Agriculture is a very scoring optional subject in the UPSC Civil Services mains exam. Agriculture is a technical subject, however, with the correct strategy, candidates can do really well in this optional subject in their very first attempt. You can also look for state level exams for vacancies in Assistant Agriculture Officer, Agriculture Officer, Seed Officers and other such posts. Now let's know about some highest paying jobs in agriculture sector. As a biochemist, you will get average annual salary of about Indian rupee 3,90,000. It is a part of science that manages the investigation of science of living beings to benefit humanity. Then, as a food scientist, your average salary will be Indian rupee 7,50,000. As an environmental engineer, average annual salary is about INR 4,33,270 rupees. They have responsibilities including attempting to improve things like air and water quality, general well-being and waste removal. Contingent upon where ecological specialists decide to work, one may likewise. Agriculture lawyer. Average salary for agriculture lawyer is about 3,95,000. They likewise handle cases that include labor laws, environmental insurance and appropriate land use. Agriculture Operations Manager. Average salary for Agriculture Operation Manager is about 7,78,000. They are ordinarily accountable for maintaining huge agribusiness, for example, grain assembling and factories. Then, Animal Geneticist. Average annual salary is about 4,62,000. They are viable for finding good and healthy feeding for animals, and also they can crossbreed various species to make another variety of creatures. As an agriculture engineer, average annual salary is 4,97,000. Agrarian specialists work for a broad scope of exercises that may incorporate aquaculture, land farming, forestry, preservation improvement, ecological planning and biofuel advancement. As an agronomy sales manager, the annual average income for this is about 4,46,000. These experts are liable for preparing the team that will go to better places to instruct farmers on the best way to think about their land and harvest appropriate. Bioinformatics scientist. Average annual salary for this is about 8 lakh. Then about agricultural economist. Average annual salary is about 8 lakh 82,000. Thanks for watching the video until the end. I will be back with a new video with basics of agriculture. Please like and subscribe it for more video updates.